Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to study about decimal, multiply and divide by 10 and 100 using the spiked abacus 7 spikes kit. Children, you know very well this kit. Previous class also we do some activity using this kit. The same kit only I take now. Listen, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10, 100,000. This is our place value in the abacus. The place value called AB6. Then I place the 7 spikes on the place value card. Dear children, first number 192 and 845,000. So first I have to arrange according to the given number in our abacus. Listen children, according to the given number I have to arrange the beads here. In ones place 2, tens place 9 and 100 place went. Then 10th 8 bead, 100th 4 bead and 1000 place 5 bead I have to arrange children. Now to multiply a given decimal fraction or a decimal number by 10, I represent the given fraction number or the decimal number on the spiked abacus. Then shift all beads of hundreds place by ones place towards left. Children, we need to multiply by 10, you know. Children, this number we need to multiply by 10. So it has 10 children. So I move our bead. In 100 place we have 1 bead. That bead I move to left. Only 1 place value. 1 place towards left. So where it is? It comes 1000. So like I remove 10 to 100 place. Tens place 9 bead. I take and remove to where? 100 place. Listen, now tens place is empty. Then ones place I have 2 bead. That I transform to tens place. Now ones place is empty. Then 10th, you know, 10th. There is how many beads? 8 bead. I transform to ones place children. So children, now I replace. Now 10th is empty. So come to that 100th place. There I have 4 bead. I transform that 4 bead into the 10th place. 100th place is empty. Then I take or remove the beads, the 5 beads from the 1000 place. Then I replace in 100th place. Now 1000 place is empty. Now we get the value. In 1000 you have 1 bead, 100 you have 9 bead, in tens you have 2 bead, and ones you have 8 bead, and 10th 4 bead, and 100th you have 5 bead. Dear children, just you have to write the number. We give 1 place towards left. So I place the decimal where? In right side. I move the decimal right side. So I keep it here. Now you get the value. This value children. I show this into your tabular column. the number after shifting one's place left, what you get? This. So I already explained about in the abacus, that value you have to write in the tabular column, children. Children, now your place value is 1928.4500, isn't it? Children, this is your illustration picture. First, we have to arrange our beads like this. After multiple by 10, we get the picture like this. Children, our next problem, the given number is 25.897,000, isn't it? This number we need to multiply by 100. So what happened, you see, children, first I have to arrange the beads according to the given value, the given number place value. According to the given number, I have to arrange the beads, children. In ones place 5, tens place 2, in 10th 8, 100th 9 bead, 1000 7 bead, children. Now our problem is multiply by 100, children. This number we need to multiply by 100. The 100 has 2 zeros, so I have 2. This is multiplication, children. Multiplication means you have to give the move towards left according to the zero value. How many zero? 2. So now I need to move towards left 2 place, children. So shift all beads of tens place by 2 places towards left. From tens place we have 2 bead. I take and give to 2 place left. It has come in 1000 place, children. See, then ones place I have 5 bead. That one I take and give 2 place. Then it has reached 100th place. Then in 10th you have how many bead? 8. So in 10th place you have 8 bead now. Then 100th you have 9 bead. That one I take and give into move 2 place left. Then it reach ones place. Now in ones place we have 9 beads. Then in 1000th place you have 7 bead. That one I remove and move towards left 2 places. 2 places move towards left and I reach 10th place. So now you get 1000. How many bead? 2, 100, 5, tens 8 and ones place 9 and tens place 10th 7 beads, isn't it? So we have number now. So you get the place value this like, children, in 2589 7/10. This like you get the answer. Simply have to see like this. The given number I have to write like this. 2 zeros, we have to move the abacus. We give towards left 2 place. So you give right towards right. You move 2 place means where the decimal point has come after 9. So this is your answer, children. Children, this is your illustration. This is given according to the given number. They make a figure, then multiply by 100. After that you get this figure. They move towards left 2 place. This is your answer. Children, next week going to study about divide a decimal fraction or a decimal number by 10 and 100. Children, I have given number 192.8500. This one I arrange in abacus, children. Children, according to the given value, I have to arrange the beads on the abacus. So in 100th place, you have 1 bead, in 10th place 9, and 1's place 2, 10th 8, and 100th 5 bead you have. This is different, children. Multiplication, you give left towards left, you give move. But division towards right, you need to give move. Isn't it? According to the multiplication number 10, 100 or 1000. Children, this is our problem. Need to divide by 10. So for the division, I need to give rotation towards right. We have 1 0, so I give 1 place towards right. Isn't it? So now shift all beads of 100 place by 1 place towards right. So children, in 100 I have 5 bead. I give 1 move, 1 place towards right. It move into the 1000 place. So now the 100 place is empty. Then I change the 10th. It have how many bead there? 8 bead. That one I move into the 100 place. So now the 10th place is empty. I give this 1's place 2 bead into the 10th place. Then 10th place you have 9 bead. That one I remove and 1's place move to right. The 10th place empty. In 100th place you have 1 bead. I give 1 move to right. Now you get this form in the abacus, children. In 10th place you have 1. In 1's place 9. And in 10th place 2, 100th 8 bead and 1000th 5 bead, children. How can you read it? Dear children, number after shifting 1's place to right, you get the value 19.285,000. Isn't it? Listen, children, in multiplication we give move towards left, so I move the decimal value towards right. So here we give move towards right, so I move the decimal place towards left. So where it is, this is 1 0, you know, so I have to move 1 place, means where it is come, this point has come to before 2. So our answer 19.285,000. This is your answer, children. Children, this is your illustration figure. Before, after divide 10, you get the value this. So they give a move towards left, so that 1000 and 100 place is empty. This is your final answer. Dear children, our problem 875.6. So how can you read it? 875 and 6 tenths. We need this number dividing this decimal number by 100. According to the given value, I have to arrange the beads on the abacus, children. 100 place 8, tens place 7, and ones place 5, and tens place have 6. We need to give here 1000, multiple by 1000. So I give towards right 2 place. So in tens place 6 bead, it come to where in 1000 place, children. Likewise, we give up each and every place value, replacing 2 place towards right. So after 2 place right, it get in 1000 place 6 bead. Then in ones place you have 5. That one reach to 100th place, hundredths. 2 place towards right. Then in tens place, move 2 place towards right, it reach in tenths. Then 100th place, 8 bead towards right 2 place means it reach ones place. Now your ones place you have 8 bead, 10th 7, and 100th 5 bead, and 1000 6 beads you have. Children, after shifting 2 places right, you get 8.756,000. So this is your answer, children. So 8.756,000. Dear children, this is our problem. We have 2 0 in the 100. So I give 2 place move towards right. So actual number you have to write like this. I give 2 place move towards right. So I need to move the decimal towards left 2 digit. That means the come where it is before the 7. So 8.756,000. So where it is come here. Isn't it? Can you understand, children? Dear children, this is your illustration picture. Before we arrange like this, then after divided by 100, move towards right, so it gets the value like this. This is your answer. So finally what we find the result, when a decimal fraction or a decimal number is multiplied by multiples of 10, the decimal point shift to its right by number of zeros in the multiplier. When a decimal fraction or a decimal number is divided by multiples of 10, the decimal point shift to its left by number of zeros in the divisor. Children, I hope you all learned well how to the given decimal numbers multiply or divide by 10 and 100. I hope you all learned well. Take your lab book and do the exercise, children. Thank you, children. Dear children, after complete the work, kindly send a correction for me. Thank you, children.